what I did, just change, give one spaces here, and instead of same variable I'm using here different variable. Okay, this is what kind of variable with ampersand. We call it ampersand and ampersand. Okay, ampersand. This is what kind of variable? Dictionary variable. Okay, with ampersand, this is dictionary variable. Let me just write syntax. Okay, syntax is this. This is syntax. What is syntax, Rubel? Grammar. Okay, yeah, grammar, structure. Okay, oh my goodness, Rubel has, yeah. Okay, now let's run it again and see. Booking the browser, navigating to orangelive.com, passing the parameters, and I think it is passed, right? Report is this. You can copy it and check in the browser, or you can just go to report, right button click, and open in any browser. I open on Firefox. And it's passed. Okay, if I go to tags, you can check tags, sanity, smoke, unit. Okay, if you go to suit, you can check how many suits. Usually I run just one suit. Okay, then total, critical search. Okay, I can search by suit, test, include, exclude. Okay, we will see how we can do all this. Let me show you one more thing, that is, oh, I want to show you the another variable, right? That is, I said environment variable. Can you remember environment, env, when I just write env and click on enter, environment variable is coming here, right? So it's like same thing. So how we can use environment variable? They mostly use only two environment variables. Okay, there is cmd. Just go to cmd. Okay, and just write environment variable like it's echo is command for environment variable. Okay, echo is command for environment variable, and just write uh, this and username and percentage, and when you enter, it's showing the username is what? Header. Can you check what is your username? Maybe admin. Okay, most of the computers username is admin. My one is Theda. Okay, can you check? Can you see? Hello, did you check it? Connection is too weak. Okay, whose connection is too weak? My connection. No, Kosh is there, I think. Okay. I was telling you to just to check whether you can find your username. Okay. CMD. No, you don't need to go to EMB. I just showed you what is environment variable. Okay. So just directly go to command prompt CMD. Just type here CMD and press enter. It will come up. Then again go to echo. Echo is command actually, and just percentage and operating system. OS means operating system. Operating, it will show the operating system of your computer. My one is Windows. You see Windows underscore NT is there. Yeah, Kosh is there. All right. So now I understand my username is Theda, not admin. Your one is admin maybe. Operating system is Windows. Now it is very important in test environment to tell you who is uh, executing the test. Okay, so I can say test executed or run by somebody, executed by Rubel. Okay, Rubel. You can say test lead Rubel. Okay, and an operating system is, you can say, maybe this is environment variable. You can say Rubel, and on is what? The computer. Okay, the computer you're executing the test on. You say, maybe just say username. Okay, and on this is, you say this one is operating system. Okay, okay, what is it? Operating system, OS. Okay, let me check once again. Yeah, this username is Theda. Thus I have to put username, and before username just put this one. Okay, on operating system, or you can say and on operating system. Okay, now if you run the test, right, and if you go to report now, open the browser. I'm opening in Chrome. You see it passed, and I can check actually. Go to suit, and test case is this one, right? The path, and open the browser. What we are using, everything is showing, and test executed by Rubel on username. Username, why it is not taking, and operating system not showing. Okay, let's see. Let's check. It should be showing. I can say username, maybe username, operating system, like this. Let's try. report. Actually, before we open the report, sometimes we have to refresh, and then go to open browser, Firefox. Oh my goodness, why not? Oh, okay. Open browser, Chrome. Go to tests. It's not showing actually. Let me check why it's not working. It should be working with this username. Username. This is percentage, okay. Username. And on operating system. Variable definition not found. Okay, I understand. We have to define it, okay. Undefined variable, edit inspection, putting disable inspection. All right, now I think it will work. Invoking the browser, navigating to the application, passing the parameter, and clicked on login button and report. Let's open it. Open in Firefox. It's not open. Chrome. Yes. Now let's go to TC. It's not showing, okay? It's not showing. God bless you. Let me